Hello and welcome to this edition of the OutPower newscast. On today's episode we're going to cover a new guided path to become a business analyst, a guide that helps us solve the errors of the OSPhotoEditor when trying to deploy to the App Store, and share the highlights of the latest activity from the OutSystems community. This week OutSystems has made the announcement that the new guided path is now available in the OutSystems training course. With this it is possible to learn everything that is necessary to be a business analyst in the context of an OutSystems project. The training courses in the guided path will provide a deeper understanding of how an OutSystems project works, its life cycle, and the steps and rules that are involved, including a business analyst. For more information on this, you can reach for a post at the following link. Those who are interested in a business analyst course, you can find more information on its dedicated page. After the news, let's jump over to hints and how-tos. On today's video, we'll be talking about a guide that explains how to solve the errors from the OSPhotoEditor when deploying to the Apple App Store. These errors happen due to the App Store declining our IPA submission because of an invalid 32-bit build. This guide suggests to run a specific script that removes the simulator-related build files from our project. If you're interested in more details, you can use this link to access the guide in the OutSystems forum. Next, we'll go over to our selection of deployments in the Forge. After looking at recent community activity on the Forge, the following is our selection for this week's top picks. And on our last segment, let's talk about this week's idea. This week's idea that has sparked more interest was the request to allow us to use the commit on advanced query to persist data changes. It used to be possible to commit data changes by using the test functionality in advanced query with a statement and a commit at the end. This feature used to be handy because it allowed for devs with no access to the database to do quick data fixes without the necessity to republish the application with a new screen and a button to run the statement. This approach is no longer possible due to security requirements and the fact that the action itself does not leave much of a trail that would allow the next developer to pick up and figure out what happened to the data. Maybe a middle ground could be found to allow us to use this approach again. Maybe it would only be available in dev and QA environments and would leave some sort of a trail in Service Center log when executed. To find out more, access this OutSystems Ideas page, which includes more details. And on that last bit of news, we wrap up today's newscast. Thank you very much for watching, and please join us next time for more OutSystems news by OutPower. Have a good day.